Prudent investing to your wealth is just like physical exercise for good health. If you exercise well, you remain fit. If you invest properly, your balance sheet will remain fit. Bajaj Stocks and Shares Private Limited has the privilege of being only NSE BSE member in the entire Vidarbha, and we are committed to spreading awareness and knowledge amongst the masses across the country, and also to offer quality services and quality research to our customers. Bajaj Stocks and Shares Private Limited is a one-stop shop offering wide range of financial products and services to its customers, including online equity trading app Trador, as well as online mutual fund transaction app Trador MF. So come on, join us in this revolution of acquiring knowledge and creating wealth together. Thank you.
My association with Anuj started in early days of career, and I have seen him grow leaps and bounds from those days. When his father used to give us advice and Anuj used to also participate in that, and over a period the way Anuj has transformed Bajaj Stock and Broking into a niche broking is really commendable. The comfort with Anuj is his personalized service and the entire ecosystem which he has created for investors like us is not only very knowledgeable but at the same time helps us in creation of wealth. His knowledge about the stocks not only helps us to know the company but also has guided us in the creation of wealth. His understanding of the issues and quick switching within the stocks not only takes us in the past where the company has performed, but also the vision and the forward outlook of the company, with which not only the entire diaspora is showcased before us, but at the same time and the entire mapping of the growth chart is also before us. I am sure Bajaj Stock Broking is definitely going to grow in a much larger pace than what it has seen with Tushar joining Anuj.
Our association with Bajaj and Company is half a century ago. When Professor Bajaj started the share broking firm, we were among the first clients to be associated with him. We had a very long journey of almost half a century together, and ours is now the third generation which is doing business with Bajaj and Company. During this journey of half a century, we have seen many ups and downs. I still remember 1973 crash when Indira Gandhi government declared the curb on the dividends. So that is still in my memory. And after that we have seen many ups and downs. But due to the support of Professor Bajaj and his vision, we stood rock solid, and ultimately we have succeeded and we are here. We have seen crash during Harshad Mehta, we have seen Satyam crash, we have seen very recently that 2008 crash, and very recently this 2018 which is going on now. So who provided us all the moral support and strength during all this difficult time? It was the Professor Bajaj and his vision. I was his student also during the management, and he used to teach us the balance sheet analysis. Balance sheet analysis was his very favorite subject, and he used to give us a lot of examples. Talking to him, discussing issues like management and share market was always a pleasure, and we could learn a lot of things from him. Then this Anuj took over, Anuj and Sanjay. Of course, Sanjay shifted to Pune. Then Anuj, he also did well, and Badjate and company prospered under his leadership. And today we are here. Tomorrow they are going to have Vastu Puja of their new office. My hearty congratulations are best and best wishes are with them for the grand success of their new venture.
We are associated with Badjate and company long ago. Babuji and Anuj Bhaiya always used to say, be an investor and not be a trader. If you want to create wealth, you have to be a patient investor. Babuji and Anuj Bhaiya are very good stock picker. I remember when I used to meet Babuji and Anuj Bhaiya, Babuji always used to say, if you want to create wealth, you should always concentrate on the quality of management and earnings. That is the most important thing. And I am very sure, as I know a lot of investors, they have created a great wealth, tremendous wealth under the guidance of Babuji and Anuj Bhaiya. Apart from this, they have a fantastic educational institute which is giving employment to hundreds of people in Nagpur and nearby Nagpur. And I think Anuj Bhaiya's son Tushar will take this group to next level. He is also intelligent. I wish them all the best.
मैं सीनियर बड़जाते साहब से 40 साल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और उनके पास मुझे इतना मालूम है कि ज्ञान का भंडार है स्टॉक मार्केट में। तो मुझे उनसे बात करने में बड़ा मज़ा आता था और काफ़ी बड़ा अच्छा नॉलेज मिलता था। मैं यहाँ तक कि कहीं वो मॉर्निंग वॉक में किस गार्डन में जाते थे, वहाँ मैं जाके उनसे कुछ बात करता था और काफ़ी बातें सीखता था उनसे। और उनको हर बात को बड़े गहराई से समझाने की एक गिफ्ट है उनके पास। उतना ही नहीं, उसके बाद मैं अनुज के पास में जाता हूँ तो कभी भी वो मुझे कोई भी चीज़ के लिए डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करते और काफ़ी उसमें अपने किस शेयरों में इन्वेस्ट करना इसके लिए बराबर हेल्प करते और वो गुण पूरे उसमें आए हुए थे। और आज मैं वो भी कहता हूँ कि सबसे छोटे तुषार जो अनुज जी के सन है, उसमें भी उसी प्रकार के गुण है जो बराबर अपने को हर वक्त इन्वेस्टमेंट की राह दिखाते हैं। आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस।
Hi, I'm Tushar, Gen Next at Badjate. Since day one at work, I've drawn my inspiration only with one idea, the idea of saving. And that is what I'm committed to. I must say that the youth of this nation, the entire country, needs to save, needs to invest, so as to be the inspiration for their Gen Next. At Badjate, we are committed to service, and that's something that I want to bring to light in the eyes of the customer today. Service is something, and convenience along with it, that is the most important thing for any business to run. I say that no one today sells a product, they sell a service. Which is why we've launched our wealth management product, the portfolio management service, which is now available to all the customers in and out of Nagpur, thereby taking Nagpur on the national map. It's very important for us to know that wealth management and convenience for any and every customer will now be available in your city with the best of the best services, best products, and the best way according to each and everyone's need. I request the citizens of Nagpur and around India to join us in the movement of creating wealth and not just profits.